Back on Tom's Grand Prix. Tom and I just wrestled in the lower dash. We ended up picking up this because we have damn near everything's already hooked up here on our main instrument cluster and dash panel. So we just picked it up and popped out the little clips for the dash pad and slid this all up here and just put the bolts in to hold this through these up here. And we pivoted in our lower panel that Tom painted with the addition of the factory handle in the correct location according to pictures and another dash panel Tom had. Look at how beautiful that is. So that is in and done. I'm going to work on our trunk, power trunk release. That goes in the glove box. Get the glove box done. Get the vent over there done. Get our wiring held up and out of the way. And wrap up the whole passenger side over here. And then we're going to work our way over here where all we have is clock and cigarette lighter. An ignition switch. And then it's tuck our wires. And we are pretty much there. Progress, progress, progress. We got our vents in and done, both sides. Looking good. Got a lot of our wiring ready to go and tidied up and spruced up. Our clock is working perfectly. We have our glove box light. Perfect. Bam. All right, we're gonna put the glove box together, button up our passenger side. We also have our power trunk release that we need to wire up real fast. Well, it's wired, but you know, I gotta put the button. There we go. Pretty sure you can hear it. Glove box completed. This light shines through there. I moved our trunk release switch to this side, mainly because if we put it in this hole, it would block the light. And if we knocked out this hole and put it here, it'd be way too much clutter on that side. And of course, the wiring goes all the way over to here. So, put it right here. Had to give it a little bend to get around from shorting, but we're good. Looks great. And functions. Also, our light goes off when we latch it. Beautiful. Done. So an update. I plugged in the phone, got the radio all wired up, obviously. Plugged in our phone with our RCAs directly to an auxiliary, like we've been talking about doing. It does exactly the same thing with the phone. So I have a feeling it's an Apple issue and not a 8-track what have you issue. It does exactly the same deal. So I'm gonna call over there to S&M Electrotech, pick their brain a little further. So I was getting ready to move the seat for the passenger side. And look what turned up. Our switch. Yay! We got ourselves a passenger seat. Looking good. The old Pontiac coming together. Damn near complete. Passenger side's all done. Love it.